Welcome to Steno Allied classes. In this video, we are practicing the Rajasthan District and Sessions Court Stenographer Previous Year Exam Matter 2025. Speed 80 WPM, dictation timing 6 minutes, 480 words. Take shorthand first, then transcribe and check your mistakes. Let's begin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Now, as explicitly clear from the bare reading of section 204 of the code, when the court taking cognizance of an offense is of the opinion that there is sufficient ground for proceeding with the complaint and the case appears to be a warrant case, the court has a discretion either to issue a warrant or summons for causing the accused to be brought or to appear at a certain time before the court. Stop. It is well settled proposition of law that in complaint cases when a warrant or summons issued by the court for bringing the accused before it is not executed, and if the court is satisfied that the person will not voluntarily appear in the court or the police authorities are unable to find the person to serve him with a summons, or when it is considered that the person could harm someone if not placed into custody immediately. The concerned court could issue non-bailable warrant to bring him to the court. Stop. Now, so far as anticipatory bail is concerned, this court has consistently emphasized that anticipatory bail should not be granted as a matter of routine, particularly in serious economic offenses involving large scale fraud, public money, or complex financial crimes. Stop. Ordinarily, arrest is a part of procedure of the investigation to secure not only the presence of the accused but several other purposes. Stop. Power of granting anticipatory bail is an extraordinary power, and the same has to be exercised sparingly. Stop. The privilege of the pre-arrest bail should be granted only in exceptional cases. Stop. The judicial discretion conferred upon the court has to be properly exercised after application of mind as to the nature and gravity of the ac- accusi- accus- accusation possibility of the applicant, fleeing justice and other factors to decide whether it is a fit case for grant of anticipatory bail. Stop. In view of the settled legal position, it is no more res integra that economic offenses constitute a class apart as they have deep rooted conspiracies involving whose loss of public funds, and therefore such offenses need to be viewed seriously. Stop. When after the investigation a charge sheet is submitted in the court or in the or in a complaint case, summons or warrant is issued to the accused, he is bound to submit himself to the authority of law. Stop. If he is creating hindrances in the execution of warrants or is concealing himself and does not submit to the authority of law, he must not be granted the privilege of anticipatory bail, particularly when the court taking cognizance has found him prima facie involved in serious economic offenses or heinous offenses. Stop. In such cases, when the court has reason to believe that the person against whom the warrant has been issued as absconded or is concealing himself so that warrant could not be executed, the concerned court would be perfectly justified in initiating the proclamation proceedings against him. Full stop. Transcribe this matter, and the PDF is available on the Telegram channel. Link is in description. Thank you, and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more informative video. Subscribe the channel Steno Allied Classes.